Our topic is test on concrete. Test on concrete. First one is workability. To check the workability, we have 4 tests. First one is slump test. Second one is compaction factor test. Third one is a flow table test. Fourth one is VB consistometer test. To check the strength of concrete, we have 2 tests. First one is compressive strength test. Second one is a tensile strength test. To check the compressive strength, we make a cube of size 15 centimeter. In case of tensile strength, we make a cylinder of 15 centimeter dia and 30 centimeter height. And to check the strength of concrete, we have 2 non-destructive tests. First one is rebound hammer test. Second one is ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Thank you.